Hey YouTube, I will be showing you guys a few ways that I make an extra cash on the side. So the first one we're going to be showing is Ass Swiper. I use this so many times. It's a quick way to make $5, $10, even $15. So basically what this is a website that, allows you to choose what type of ads that you want to see throughout your phone. Now right here are just the type of ads. So you see you got art and education, careers, and businesses. So how it works is that every 100 points is worth $1. So once you reach 500 points, so you see how I have currently 528 points. Basically, I get $5 just for that. So once you get 1,000 points, that's $10, or even 2,000 points is $20. So right there say, because I'm about to cash out, you guys. So here go the process and the steps of doing that. But until then, I'm going to be showing you some ways to earn points. So first of all, you earn points by just looking at the ads or just clicking off the ads once they pop onto your phone, such as the browser or even, apps, even sometimes YouTube, but I didn't really catch YouTube. But if not, you can refer friends or you can just go through this process. So these are options to further your points. And here goes some as Shop Tracker, Gamefly, Final Fantasy, and Fitness. So to earn these points, you click on the ad, not the ad, but the option, and then you just, follow through with the directions and so on and so forth. However, they did upgrade their software and it's called Moolah Bag. I went back and checked out the app today just to make sure everything was up to date, and then that's what popped up on my phone. So I already downloaded the app, and now I'm just going to the directions, say welcome, the dashboard, and the rewards. The app is the same as the website. The only thing different is they don't have the $5 or the 500 point options no more. So once you hit 1,000 points, that's when you can cash out to $10. There's no more $5 cash out. So right here, I'm just logging in so I can get all my points in, because like I said, this was new to me as well. So let me go ahead and just blur that out because, yeah. It took me a minute to log in because I usually don't log in, so I forgot my password for a minute. Okay, so back to the program. Now, here goes some of their points options, but I just want to let you guys know that I did cash out previously, but I lost the footage of screen recording that, so that's why I'm back down to 28 points, I think. I'm not sure. I have to look at it. Oh, wait. What did I say? 140 points. But I will, if I can find the clip, I will insert it at the end. But so here are some of their options. I clicked on mystery survey. I was going to do it because I did not feel like doing the surveys. And of course, you don't have to do surveys. And the one thing that I hate about surveys is they give you so little points for such a long time, especially some of the information that they do be asking. So that's why I kind of steer away from surveys. I feel like it's a hassle with the pain in the butt. But so here go some of the options. Now, I know I just said that I hate surveys, but there are some good ones out there, such as surveys and surveys rewards. Now, I'm showing you guys how I'm cashing out with this one. My amount is $45. Usually, you have to wait till you get to $10 to be able to cash out with any of those options, such as a Visa gift card or PayPal. So, So this one's the one that I absolutely love. Now you see I already pressed my options, which is PayPal, and they're asking me to do a review, and of course I did it because I love it. I previously cashed out with them, and I'm cashing out with them again. It's one of my go-tos. Also, they give you a notification to tell you when there's a survey available for you. Before I had cashed out, I have nothing in my PayPal besides $2. So here I'm logging in. Okay. Oh, and another good survey is Google Rewards. Yeah, that's the one that I use because that's where I got that $2. See it right there? Google Opinion Rewards. So, and it's legit. $45.50 from Tango Card Incorporation. Boom. Got my money and my money on my mind. But yeah, and then there goes some of the ones from Google Rewards, and then that's from, what was that from? That was from them again, surveys. And then $5 are also from what is called Ass Swiper. Okay, so now this is Level Rewards. I have not cashed out with them before. I'm freshly new with this, but I am familiar with it. So basically how this one works is that you have to get to a certain level, and then once you get to a level, you share your link, and then every referral that you get money back for it. Now, this is perfect for people who know a lot of people whose social media followers are very loyal to them, and so on and so forth. So basically, I'm on level 2. I have 2.8 credits. So if I get 0.20 credits more, I'll be on level 3. So each level is worth $5. So level 1, each person you referral and they get to level 1, you get $5 from automatically. Level 2, $10 once they hit to level 2. So basically, you get more money for their level. Yeah, I think that's how it is. So, if it is. So I'm on level 1, and if I refer somebody and they get on level 1, I get $5 from them. But if they're on level 2 and I'm still on level 1, I'm only receiving $5 because I'm still on level 1. But once I upgrade to level 2, that's when I get that $10. So this is a perfect for people who know a lot of people, and I will be leaving my link in the description as well as every other link to each other way to make that extra money. Okay, so I hope this was helpful to anybody who need quick money or, willing to look for new ways to make money besides a job, because I know I hate working from a 9 to 5, 8 to 4, 10 to 6. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this.
We can't keep it